Alright guys, hi, welcome back. We're going to do this other pattern, R-I-L, and we're going to do it on here, and it's going to go on top of this one on the vellum, and I'm deciding how I want that to look. Do I want just one big one? I think I do. I think I'm just going to do one big one here. Okay, I think I'm going to draw this pattern on a scrap page and then do it underneath and trace it. I think that's what I'm going to do. So I want to make sure that this is not, this needs to go within that area like that. Okay. The pattern goes like this. It's going to be a backwards S and a frontwards S, like back to back, and then we're going to do a little loopy bit. Kind of looks like almost like fescue or muka, kind of. And then in the middle we've got this kind of a, I don't know, almost looks like a tail. So it looks like that, and she's got them lined up in a row, but I'm just going to do the one. I'm going to do that shape and that shape. That's the part I was most worried about getting kind of similar. Something like that. And then this one has a, like this. And this one is coming up like that. Something like that. And then in here is going to be something like that. All right, that works good. We're going to put it, we're going to send it, we're going to put it on here, and I want it, do I want it at the bottom? I want it near the top. Where do I want this? I think I want it like that. Okay, I think I want it more toward the top. And I think I want it bigger. I'm going to want it wider. All right. This is the right idea, but I'm not going to draw it exactly where this is. I'm going to draw it slightly different. Okay. Pen. And I think I want a thicker pen. I want to draw it with an 8. Alright, we're going to do this. We're sending it. Just like that. And then this is going to have one of those with 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Just like that. Okay. And it's going to go over the top like that. I'm not sure I like that. It needs something. Do I need to do this one in gold too? Maybe. Maybe they both need to have that gold pen as a unifying factor. Or maybe I'll do this one in this bronzy rose gold color instead. Let that dry. That's better. Okay, that's better. It needed something bigger. I want that to really dry. And then I have to go over it again with this marker. So make sure the marker is working. Pump, little pump action. Okay. Where do I want to start? Let's start down here. I know this top one didn't have that, but I think I want it like that. Like that. All right. Okay, that's better. That's better. And then this one is called Riddle. We don't want to sign it. Do like that. Okay. There's that. I'm going to put it on the back here so you guys can see it good. Like that. I'm going to take a picture of it. Where's my phone? Put a picture on Instagram. If you guys aren't following me over on Instagram, you need to do that, because that's where you get a sneak peek, because I stick these guys straight to Instagram as soon as I draw them. Riddle for August 14. Okay, post, and then let's put these together and see if they look any good. Okay, that's different. That's not bad. I'm okay with that. So let's put those together just like that. I'm going to put a little piece of yarn as a tag dingly whatever tassel. I guess it's called a tassel. As a tassel for the tag. And just like that, they're together. Together, but not, I mean, you can still see each one separate. There's Riddle. There's Draska. And there they are together. That's not so bad. It's different. I've never done anything like that. I think I would have moved it down more. I should have moved it down more. This should have been sitting down here. Other than that, I'm really quite happy with this. Yeah. You guys have a blessed day. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. You know, I'm going to make this thumbnail with just this, though. I'm going to take it apart so that it is clear as to what this pattern is. And then I'll put it back together. All right, you guys have a blessed day. I will see you guys on Monday, which will be another coloring book day. I think I am done drawing for today. It is hot out here. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.